Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to prepare for paper 1. What should be the strategy for the coming up recruitments from KEA. Actually, two important recruitments are there in KEA, right? One is of the CRISE teacher recruitment and another is of the land surveyor recruitment, and both recruitments are in this year only. In fact, for land surveyor recruitment they have also given the exam dates also. For CRISE online applications are open, you can apply now, and for land surveyor also still last date is there, so still you can apply for land surveyor also. So in this video you will get the clarity of everything, how to prepare for paper 1, because this paper 1 has become a big headache for all aspirants, especially the aspirants belonging from mathematics and science background, because paper 1 is a general paper and aspirants are not used to social studies, GK and all that. So that's why we are making this video, to make it easy for you all, so that you can follow our discussion in this video and use our strategy to prepare for your paper 1. This is the list of topics given for CRISE teacher recruitment in the KEA website. The notification has been released, right? So here you can see the list of topics: current affairs and general knowledge, general science, geology, social science, Indian society and social development, Indian history and Karnataka history, Indian constitution and public administration, Karnataka society and culture, Karnataka after independence, Karnataka economy, rural development, Panchayat Raj system, rural cooperative societies, science and technology for good governance, environment of Karnataka and environmental issues, and mental ability, reasoning and intellectual ability. They are telling it will be till SSLC level. So these are the topics which aspirants are getting scared. In fact, we also agree that the list is lengthy, so aspirants are getting scared how to prepare for paper 1. So we are bringing you this best strategy. What you have to do is, you divide this syllabus into 5 different parts. First part should be related to Karnataka, history, culture, economy, geography, Panchayat Raj, rural development, government schemes, all that. Okay, that is taking 40% of your syllabus. Then paper 2 is about the national level, the constitution, Indian history, Indian society and public administration. Then part 3, science. In that you have general science, environment and science and technology. So this part is going to be easy for mathematics and science aspirants, right? Then part 4, this is current affairs. Last 8 to 10 months, both from national and Karnataka level, you should be knowing the current affairs. So let us put it in part 4, that is taking your 10%. Next is part 5. You take all that mental ability, reasoning, everything, all the topics which we usually cover in our paid classes. All these are the topics. In fact, we have also given one nice handmade booklet for mental ability, reasoning, everything. All these topics are there in that analogy, series, coding, blood relation, direction, clock, calendar, all that is there. Of course, SSLC mathematics, though mathematics aspirants will be knowing better only. So that's why here what is there to be not worried of is part 3 and part 5. Right? If you are our paid class aspirant, then your part 3 and part 5 is automatically covered, because we have given you nice study material also, and of course our classes also will help you in this. Right? So your 25% thing is covered now. Rest is remaining part 1, part 2 and part 4. That how to do? See, you can actually follow some things which I am going to tell you, that will surely help you in preparing for this. Okay. Now this was about the CRISE, right? I was also talking about the land surveyor, right? In land surveyor also there are 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2, like in CRISE. Paper 1 is the general paper, paper 2 is the specific paper. So parallelly, if you are preparing for CRISE, you can also prepare for land surveyor. And what is the paper 1 syllabus there? Here they are not adding mental ability and all that. simple things are there, like current affairs is there, English is there, reading comprehension. So if you are a aspirant who is already preparing for a teacher exams, then this will be very easy for you, reading comprehension. Then you have Indian Constitution, that to basics they are telling. Indian history with Karnataka history, Indian geography with Karnataka geography, then Karnataka government and administration, Karnataka economy, and these are same topics as in CRISE only. Rural development, Panchayat Raj system, cooperative societies. So paper 1 of land surveyor is very much less if you compare with CRISE. But then I must say that CRISE will be easy because you have science and technology and mental ability part also. Here this is becoming completely social studies except one English topic here. Right. So this is your paper 1 for land surveyor recruitment. Now I will tell you how to prepare for this paper 1 for both the CRISE and land surveyor. So these are the sources which you can utilize to prepare for paper 1 for a CRISE and land surveyor recruitment. So first one is you can go for the Karnataka State Board textbooks from class 6th to 10th. Maximum of your social science, zoology and many more things will be covered in that. Even the civics part also will be covered. But then you can also go for KEA and KPSC previous year question papers, because we can expect some similar GK questions here. Then you can go for monthly current affairs. Online there are many websites. Some websites are also providing free PDFs. Or see, while preparing for paper 2, when you get bored or when you are free or when you are doing something which has to be done parallelly, some tasks you do parallelly, right? During that time you can even watch some important monthly current affairs in YouTube as well. So there are many online resources for you for monthly current affairs. So that one is there, and also you can discuss in our Telegram groups also. That is also one nice thing. You all can discuss within yourself. Many aspirants are already discussing in the paid classes groups. We are also trying to give the current affairs as much as possible. Then one more very important website is of the Press Information Bureau, PIB. So this is a very nice website. You will get all the official government things there. Like for example, just now I googled Press Information Bureau, then I got this page. So this was about Karnataka emerges as a key driver of SEZ and EOU growth. So this is of June 9th. So you can read this article. So for sure you can expect one question from this in the current affairs thing. Okay, so like this you can go for this type of websites also. Apart from this, you can read newspapers. If you are good in Kannada, you can read Kannada newspapers also, or you can go for some good newspapers like Hindu is there, Indian Express is there, Deccan Herald is there. You don't have to read all the newspaper. Some parts you can just choose and you can read for state news and national news. So this much you have to do. Rest, as I told you, for other things like mental ability, science and technology, all that you will cover from our paid courses only. Mental ability, to the handbook which we have given you is very useful. Please don't ignore that. If you become perfect in that mental ability handbook, then that is more than enough for your preparation. Okay, so this much I wanted to tell you, because many aspirants are getting worried only because of paper 1. Don't get worried. See, whatever is tough for you is tough for everyone. You have to understand that. Maths aspirants are writing CET, means all maths aspirants have problem with paper 1 only, right? So don't worry. The competition will be of the same level among all the maths aspirants. So you don't need to worry. In fact, in CRISE, you are in the upper hand with the mental ability and science and technology part. Right? For land surveyor, no, you don't have mental ability and all that. So things will become very much easy for you. Now I will give you a nice clarity between CRISE and land surveyor recruitment, because many aspirants are getting confused with this one. So what all information is there till now? We have gathered everything in this table and we are giving you. See, if you have not applied for a CRISE teacher, you can apply till 13th August. Time is there. In fact, you can pay the fee by 14th August also. And I told you about the two papers, right? General paper and specific paper. In general paper we discussed all the topics in this video only, and specific paper you have physics and mathematics only. Okay, exam dates are not announced. While talking about land surveyor, the last date to apply is 7th August. So you have to be a little bit fast now, and you have to gather all the documents and apply it if you have not applied. For last date for fee payment will be 10th August, and paper 1 will be general paper and paper 2 will be specific paper. In specific paper, like in CRIS, you don't have only physics and maths. Along with that, you have geography, modern surveying and computer applications. So aspirants who have taken our CRIS course or HSTR PM course can also apply for this land surveyor post, because mathematics and physics is almost all covered in our HSTR, and computer applications is also good only. We have given you classes, we have given you material also, so that also will help you a lot. But you have to prepare for geography and modern surveying if you are applying for land surveyor. Okay, and one more important point, many aspirants are asking, madam, can we apply for both HK and non-HK for land surveyor? We believe you can apply, because the exam date is different for non-HK and HK. For non-HK it is 3rd October, for HK it is 24th October. So there is a large gap between two dates. So we believe that you can apply for both HK and non-HK. So aspirants who have taken our HSTR PM post, we request you all to please make sure to apply, because many posts are there. More than 500 posts are there in land surveyor. So this is a very golden opportunity for you all. And aspirants who are preparing for CRIS can also apply for land surveyor, because many things are similar here. Okay friends, so we really hope that this video made it very easy for you all to understand. If you have more doubts, you can discuss in the Telegram group. Thank you. All the best. Bye.